Curious if a website is powered by WordPress? Maybe you're a web designer researching inspiration, or perhaps you just stumbled on a cool site and want to know what tools they're using. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you the fastest way to detect whether any website is built with WordPress, using simple free tools anyone can access. By the end, you'll be able to figure this out in seconds, and even uncover bonus info like what theme or plugins the site is running. Alright, let's dive right in. The simplest way to check if a website is using WordPress is by using an online detector tool. Think of these detectors a bit like a website X-ray. All you have to do is give them a website's address, and they instantly scan under the hood to see if WordPress is running things behind the scenes. For today, I'll walk you through using a super popular and reliable tool called IsItWP. If you want to follow along first, pick any website you're curious about. For example, let's say you found an awesome blog and you're hoping to learn if they used WordPress to build it. Now, what you want to do is copy the URL, the full address from your browser. Once you've got that web address copied, head over to isitwp.com. The interface couldn't be more straightforward. You'll see a search bar right in the middle of the page. Paste your website's URL there. Then go ahead and hit that Analyze Website button. Now, don't worry if it takes a few moments for the scan to finish. The tool is actually looking through the site's code, detecting signatures, and running a few checks to see if WordPress is behind the scenes, so just give it a bit of time if needed. After IsItWP finishes, you'll get your results. Most of the time, it'll give you a clear answer right at the top. Yes, this site is using WordPress, or no, it is. No need for tech skills or poking around in the source code. Plus, as a nice bonus, IsItWP often tells you even more, like which WordPress theme the site is using, and sometimes even the main plugins powering its features. So if you're looking for design inspiration or wondering how a certain feature works, this can give you some really useful clues. It's kind of like being able to peek inside the kitchen when you taste a really good meal. You get to see not just what, but how it was made. If IsItWP doesn't work on a certain website, remember, there are a bunch of similar detector tools out there. Just search for WordPress detector. But in my experience, IsItWP handles the job most of the time. And that's literally it. Checking if a website is built on WordPress can take less than a minute, and you might be surprised by how many of your favorite sites use it. So that wraps up this quick tutorial. If you found this helpful, give the video a like to let me know. If you have any questions or want recommendations for other website tools, drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help. And if you love straightforward web tips like this, don't forget to subscribe for more easy guides every week. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.